Chef cheeses. This is cheese. It's a little bit soft. Usually it molds better than this, but I was being hasty. Here's the fresh Loire Valley, and yes, the fig leaves are edible. And this is sun-dried tomato with garlic, and then I pressed basil leaves into the mold. So let me do some tasting here. Okay, I put some of the Loire Valley on a slice of red pear. Oh, that's nice. Cats are going crazy. This, it's really hard to describe the fragrance and the flavor of fig leaves. It's nothing like a fig fruit. It's beautiful. Okay, let me try some of the Boursin. Put it on a cracker because it's got garlic and herbs in it. Wow. It's so good. It's a mixture of French herbs. It's not Italian. Okay, now I'm going to have a little bit of the sun-dried tomato and garlic. Wow. Oh, this is really good. It's sweet and savory from the tomato, and it's just scented with basil and the garlic. It's really good. You will like this if you make it. Wow, it tastes even better with time. So now I will go and show you how to do the fresh Loire Valley. I'm going to use this little glass container for a cheese mold, and I have lined it with a freshly washed cheesecloth. Here I have pressed a wine cured fig leaf down in here, and it's ready for the cheese. I'm going to use some chev. Now that it's filled with cheese, I'm just going to fold the excess cheesecloth over and whoops. This is not easy to do on camera. And now it's ready to be chilled in the fridge until it firms up overnight, and then you can unmold it in the morning. And the recipes for all three will be on the blog, linked in my description, along with links to yesterday's video and the Vegudairy playlist. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later, guys.